Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, we will investigate what is the truth on error code 1001. Is it a fake? In August 2023, TikTok users sparked discussion about error code 1001 in the particular gaming platform Roblox. The claim was that this error would prompt players to call 911 because someone else was nearby. However, there is no actual Roblox error code 1001 that instructs users to call 911 due to proximity. Error code 1001 was initially mentioned in 2022 on a Roblox wiki page. It evolved into a rumored possible raiding warning and gained attention on TikTok. A TikToker posted a mock-up of the error code, suggesting it was removed in 2013. Fake error message implied that Roblox could detect nearby devices, causing players to believe that they were alone when they might not be. Despite the online speculation, there's no real evidence of such an error code existing. Some mention that it might have been related to server issues when players were physically close together. But this is disputed. Roblox official resources and error code lists do not mention 1001. In conclusion, error code 1001 in Roblox, as described by TikTok users, does not seem to be a real or officially recognized error on the platform. If you encountered an error 1001 while using Roblox, it might be related to a recent update or a temporary technical glitch. To troubleshoot the issue, consider the following steps. First, check for updates. Second, check Roblox status. Third, clear cache. 4. Restart. Fifth, try a different game. Sixth, reinstall. And seventh, contact support. And that's a wrap for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch up our upcoming videos. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye!